How to clear suggested on Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can clear suggested on your Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, update your Messenger app if it's not updated. Then open the app, tap on your profile, scroll down, under Preferences, tap on Phone Contacts, tap on Upload Contacts. If it's turned on, turn it off. I have already turned it off, so it's not showing me the turn off button. Now go back, tap on Manage Contacts, then tap on Delete All Contacts. And now log out of your account and log in. So this is how you can clear suggested on your Messenger.